News coming in how the matter will be heard at 5 p.m. The top court admits to hear the matter at 5 p.m. Tomorrow 11 a.m. is when the governor sought that the assembly session be convened, the special session be convened. 11 to 5 was the time that he was talking about. But today itself the Supreme Court will hear the petition by the Sena camp. Sena camp certainly seeking a stay at the moment. And now the Justice Khan, the Supreme Court coming out and saying that we will hear the matter today itself, 5 p.m. an important time, viewers, because this could certainly change the situation completely. 5 p.m. is when the top court will take up the Sena, the Uddhav camp's petition seeking a stay on the floor test as has been demanded by the governor. SG Tushar Mehta will be appearing for the governor is what we are being told. And 5 p.m. is the time when the Supreme Court will hear the Uddhav side's petition seeking a stay on the floor test. Floor test, the special session that has been called by the governor tomorrow at 11 a.m. and he says that the session must be adjourned by 5 p.m. tomorrow itself, which means the voting needs to take place within 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and that's the bracket, the all-important time that we're watching out for. But this Supreme Court intervention could certainly change things around, given that the disqualification issue is still sub judice, given that there is a 2 weeks time that has been given to the rebel MLAs, so they do not stand disqualified for these 2 weeks. It was an important time for these rebel MLAs along with the BJP to go ahead with a floor test move, but this certainly could change things around. 5 p.m. is when the Supreme Court will be hearing the Uddhav side's petition seeking a stay on the floor test. This becomes extremely crucial, viewers, because now it's going to be in the hands of the Supreme Court to decide what happens next, whether or not a floor test takes place tomorrow. Harish.
That's right. The Shiv Sena's chief whip, who had moved the court today, has managed to get an urgent hearing. After the brief hearing, the Supreme Court bench has said that, keeping in view the urgency of the matter, we have decided to hold a hearing tentatively at 5 p.m. Today, and has also directed that all the parties be given the copies of the petition and all the documents pertaining to this hearing by 3. That includes the both sides, that is the Shinde group, the BJP, the governor, and also the two judges, Justice Suryakant and Justice Padriwala. So the most important news, the biggest takeaway, the biggest news point is that the Supreme Court has agreed to give urgent hearing to the Shiv Sena, and their petition will be heard at 5 p.m. today. Back to you.
Oh yes, so the Supreme Court has admitted to hearing the Uddhav side's plea at 5 p.m. this evening. Now, Harish, in this kind of a scenario, how soon can things turn around? Because 11 a.m. was the time given by the governor, cited by the governor to call for a special assembly session. Now, in the past, how have we seen these kind of situations play out?
Yes, it is to be noted that in the previous, remember, there were several instances, including in Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra twice. The Supreme Court has refused to stay a floor test, and we'll have to see what kind of order the